matching kami ng sweater. Nandito ako sa parking lot, naghihintay kay Mr. kasi nag-withdraw siya ng cash. Kasi pupunta kami ng laundromat, maglo-laundry kami ng aming comforters. So yeah. So yan today yung aming agenda, at saka mag-grocery kami ng mga wala sa bahay. Yun lang. Tsaka maybe later nakain naman sa labas. Yeah, hintay tayo kay Mr. dito. Today is November 13th. Wednesday dito guys. So, off ni Mr. at saka off kami. Pero bukas may work kami. Alga si Mr. Kami na siya. Dito na si Mr. Matching kami ng sweater. Alis na tayo guys. Sa harap ng laundromat. Punta tayo dyan. Palit tayo ng coins. Ito pala yung itsura ng laundromat dito guys. Kunti lang naman yan. Lalagay na ni Mr. If I'm the one doing this, I can't reach that.
No, you need your ladder.
So, lalagay niya na yung money dyan.
Money time.
So, 10.75. Ganito kalaki yung money. At tapos dito mamaya lalagay yung dryers. Mga maliliit na to eh. Ito yung mga maliliit. Ayun sa dryer pala. 3 minutes. Start na siya. Done! We're gonna put it in the dryer. 25 cents. Done our laundry!
And we decided where we want to go.
And hubby is so happy because he heard me like saying, we're gonna go to Noodle House. He said, yeah, with a
smiley face.
Smiley face. So we're going there. It's been a while that we never go there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Okay, we're almost here. Here's the TK Noodle right there. We're gonna go there, guys, for lunch. All the starters over there. It's a nice day today. Gonna get something folder for my citizenship interview. We're here inside.
Yeah, we can get a photo.
Yeah, it's
Well,
nice and
everything.
quiet here. They have some electronic stuff too. They sell some desk chairs, computer chairs, and school supplies. We're gonna buy the one that has a divisions. We're heading to Walmart because we didn't find anything that we need in Staples.
I mean, we did, but it was expensive.
No, and it's not the right one that I'm looking for. I want the mega size and they didn't have it. So let's go to Walmart. Okay. Hanap kami ng kanyang shampoo. He always use the Harris.
That's body wash.
Mabango yan siya.
I don't need body
Need a
wash.
shampoo.
No, I need it. What the hell?
Yeah,
I think the
shampoo.
hell is over here.
Anong Walmart dito? So, have the big saga. For grocery. Daming tao today. A lot of people na.
No, not a lot of people. Good, it's good.
Big days. In line. Here. Walmart. Cut the language. Muntik na makalimutan ni Cory yung isang bag. Good thing I checked my receipt. Big boy. Guys, we are home. We're gonna do a grocery haul from Walmart. So we went to Walmart and had our groceries. Yung mga wala lang namin guys dito sa bahay. First, we have 4 bags. So first we have eggs. 12 pieces. And then we have here the 2% milk. I have yan. And then of course, rice is light. Ayan. And then, meron tayong blueberry and banana nut muffin. And whole kernel corn. Ayan. And then, sweet peas. Then, bumili kami ng energizer para sa fire alarm. Dito sa living room kasi yung battery is out na. Tapos na ito yung shampoo ni Hami. Yan yung brand na ginagamit niya. Not a sponsored video. Pero mabango to siya. Shampoo with conditioner na yun siya. Meron tayong tuna. Tuna in cans. Dalawa. So, first bag yan. Muntik na makalimutan kanina yung isang bag. Tayong chicken, party wings, drumsticks, and of course, litos, or salad, or sandwich. And then third bag. Avocado. Ayan, 3 avocado. Tapos bumili ako ng tomatoes. 5 pieces. And isang onion. ako doon. Kaya isa lang binili ko. Yung banana. Yan. Quart bag. Banana. Paper towels. Dalawa. Meron pa kami doon dalawa. Ayan. Spring onions. Ayan. Bell peppers. Malaki ng bell peppers. Dalawa. And then, garlic. Dalawa rin meron pa ako doon. Pero, medyo magastos kasi ako sa garlic kasi pag nagluluto ako, ginigisa ko talaga sa garlic at onions. And then, lemons, 3 piraso. Yun lang. Yan lang guys, konting ano lang, grocery kasi yung mga wala lang namin dito. Meron pa kaming mga natira nung nakaraang araw na grocery rin kami, pero hindi ko na nahul. Yan lang. So, hindi pala kami guys nakabili ng folder na kailangan ko sa interview ko, na lalagyan ko ng mga documents or files na required doon sa interview ko. Mag-order na lang ata si Mr. sa Amazon kasi walang legal size doon sa Staples at saka Walmart. Hindi talaga available yung long size or legal size. Mga letter size lang yung short. So, wala kaming nakita. May nagustuhan ako doon pero short size siya. So, hindi kasya yung ITR ni Mr. doon kasi pinrent namin yun ng mahaba talaga siya. Yung long size bond paper. So, kaya he decided na order na lang ng Amazon. May nakita siya nasa $19. So, maganda rin siya. So, yan. Yun na lang sa Amazon guys. So, time check is 2:42. Umalis kami dito mga 11. So, 3 hours kami nasa labas. And yung laundry namin andun, oh. Ready to, ano na yun, dry na yun siya. Kasi, nilagay rin namin sa dryer. Kaya, yung binayaran namin doon sa laundry, mga, so, $10.75 sa pag-wash. And then, $2 ata yun sa ano, 2 or 150 sa dryer. So, mga ano lang siya. Mga 11 plus $13 or $14. So, not bad. At least na ano namin yung aming comforter na laban. So, yeah. So, ipuput away ko lang to guys, yung mga dala namin. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano yung kakainin namin mamaya. May take out pala ako na soup doon. Andito. Ayan, yung wonton soup ko pa doon sa pinuntahan naming noodle house. So, oh my god. What is that?
My corn boobs.
Look at me. Oh my god, you're funny. Those who did not subscribe yet, please consider subscribing to our channel, and please like na din and share, and please click the notification bell para every time mag-upload kami ng bagong video, ma-notify kayo. So, thank you for the love and support. Have a great day guys. Bye!
Topsy